Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about how to convert this dashboard layout into responsive design. So here I am in the Figma software. You can see I already created the dashboard design into 3 different breakpoints: desktop, tablet and mobile. So right now the dashboard is static and we will make it responsive using auto layouts and variables. To make any design in responsive, first of all we need to convert it into auto layout. So for this we need to make sure that every group and element which we want to make responsive is placed inside an auto layout. So here I am selecting this header and click on this icon which says toggle auto layout. So here you can see the icon has been changed from frame to an auto layout. And also check that each elements inside the frame should be in auto layout. So for that I'll select this search bar and add auto layout. So now I'll select this area and add auto layout. You can also press Shift and A to make it auto layout. The same way select this cards and add auto layout. So you can see all these groups are in auto layout. Now we need to change the width properties of the elements which we want to make responsive. So select these cards and change width to fill container. Make sure that every elements inside the card should have width fill container. Now select this right container and change the width to fill container. Now the whole design is in auto layout. So here you can see when I scale the width of this whole design, the elements which are in auto layout are adjusting accordingly. So the next step is to create 2 more artboards for the mobile and the tablet. For the tablet, I am taking iPad Pro and for the mobile, I am taking iPhone 17. So now we are going to use variables, and for that we need to create tokens first. So what is variable? A variable is a reusable value that can be used for design properties and prototyping. So when I click on create, I'll get 4 different options. One is for color, number, string and boolean. So here I'm going to add boolean. So whatever variable we are going to use, it will be divided in 3 different breakpoints. One is for the desktop, one is for the tablet and for the mobile. So the boolean variable mostly used to show or hide any elements from the design. So here I name it left menu. So the left menu is only visible in the desktop artboard, and for the tablet and the mobile it will remain hide. So here I will change this value from false to true for the tablet and the mobile, and I'm renaming it to show or hide. Now these are the elements which we are going to put inside this desktop artboard. So the menu icon will go here. Now we will select these 2 items and add an auto layout. Change width property to hug contents and reduce the padding to 10 pixels. Now this is the prompt area for the mobile view. So we are going to put it inside this frame and shift this to bottom. Now we will change the width to fill container. Since these 2 items are for the mobile view, we are going to hide this for now. Now we will add more boolean properties as per our requirement, called labels. So the label means the buttons names or the users names. So I will show them on the desktop and hide them from the tablet and the mobile. Now I'm going to create more variables for most common and necessary cases to help us to make this design responsive. Now we have created all required boolean properties. Now we will create one more collection for the color tokens. For the color tokens, will be divided into two modes, light mode and the dark mode. So if we add a black color in the light mode, then the dark mode will have its inverted color, which is white. The same way we will add more color tokens. Make sure we are creating color tokens for the both mode, the light mode and the dark mode. So each and every element will be visible on the both modes. Now we will apply these color tokens into this design. So for that I am selecting dashboard. Click over selection colors. You will see all the colors which are used in this design. So for the gray, I am click on style and select gray. The same way for the white, select the white. For the purple, select purple. Do the same things to all required colors. So as you can see, we have created all the color tokens and all the boolean properties. Now it's time to apply on the design. So first of all, we need to convert this dashboard into component. So select this dashboard and select create component. So now we need to create properties of the components. So now we need to create the same properties which we have created over here. So for that, select component and create property. Choose boolean. Name it show hide left menu. Now if you hover over here, you can see apply variable. So click on that. So now you can see all those variables which we have created over here. So select show hide left menu and create property. Now create exact same properties which we have created here. So here we have created all those properties in the component. So now it's time to apply these properties into the design. So first property is for the left menu. So select the left menu, go to the appearance and select this property. So now you can see that property is applied in the left menu. Now select these all labels which you want to hide from the tablet and the mobile. So the same way apply those properties into the design. As we have added a menu icon over here, so click on it and apply this property. We have also added the mobile view for the prompt. So click on it and apply the property like this. So now we have applied all those properties and the color tokens in the component. So now it's time to add this component into this artboard. So go to Asset panel, click on the component and drag it like this. Once you drag the design, you need to change the width to field container. Do the same way for tablet and the mobile. So now we need to apply this collection into the design. So for that, select desktop artboard, go to appearance and choose the variable mode to desktop. Do the same for the tablet. So here you can see the design is changed. It is because we have created these variables in these three different modes. Now select mobile artboard and change appearance to mobile mode. So here we have created responsive dashboard design for the light mode. So now it's time to convert this design to dark mode. So for that, select all these three artboards and just drag like this. Now it's time to see the magic. So go to Appearance, select Color Mode to Dark Mode. So here we have created the dashboard design with Autolayout and converted it to responsive using variables.